Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create an account on Rocket Money? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and search in App Store Rocket Money just like that. And once you've done that, simply tap on the first application and download and install it onto your device. Simply tap on open and now go ahead and click on create account. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and give them all these data. So for example, what's your main goal? I can go ahead and track my network or net worth or even track my spending. Click on continue. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click continue answering their questions. I want to simply go ahead and stay on top of my finances, grow my savings and stuff, to pay off debt, for example, a house, whatever you want. Simply go ahead and enter your first name and your last name. Click on continue. It's going to ask you your email. Go ahead and enter that, and it's going to ask you to create a password. Once you've done that, you will be in, my friend. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see